Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will install the essentials and start the first actionable steps now. Open Terminal, run VSCode select install if needed, then drag your project folder into VSCode or use code to open it. Once done, install Live Server and an HTML snippets extension from the extensions pane so you can scaffold files quickly. Make sure to enable the command palette and set auto-save preferences. These small choices speed editing and prevent lost work as you create your first index. HTML file. You will craft the middle steps and configure the editor for efficient HTML development. Use new file to add index. HTML and styles. CSS, then type, and press tab to expand Emmet into a full HTML5 template. Next, set a default formatter, install and select Prettier or use the HTML default to keep tags tidy. Once configured, adjust Live Server settings like port and root if needed, and map workspace settings so extensions and formatting behave consistently across machines. You will finish by testing, debugging, and learning one key troubleshooting tip. Start Live Server, open the served URL, and use the browser inspector to check element structure and linked CSS. If styles or assets don't load, verify paths and the workspace root in VS Code. When you encounter issues, open the problems pane and run HTML validation. If Live Server won't start, check for firewall blocks, port conflicts, or incorrect workspace root settings. Resolving those usually restores the live preview immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.